How to block ads on Chrome iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can block ads on Chrome on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to block ads on Chrome on your iPhone, you can simply open up the Google Chrome browser on your iPhone like this, and if you want to block ads and pop-up ads especially on your Chrome, tap on the three dots option from the bottom right of the screen. Then this is the kind of interface you will see. You have to scroll and just try to look for this gear icon, which is the settings icon here, right? So just try to look for the settings and tap on it. Now once you tap on settings, over here if you scroll down again, you'll find the option called content settings. So tap on content settings, and here you can see block pop-ups. You want to turn on block pop-ups so that you don't get any sort of pop-up ads over here. So when you turn on block pop-ups, you should be able to block them successfully. This way you should be able to block ads on Chrome on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.